So last day, do you remember we completed the classification of phylum vertebrate, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, there are five classes starting from fish, then amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Okay. Now today we will start the phylum arthropods, classification of phylum arthropods.
Okay.
Is it clear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
I'll turn off the video. So, yes. Okay. So, phylum arthropod, they have some general characteristics. One thing is they have several pairs of jointed legs. I think the pen is not working. No problem. They have several pairs of jointed legs. And another thing is they have an exoskeleton.
Teacher,
Yeah.
what is the meaning of exoskeleton?
I will explain each one. Jointed legs. Do you know what are jointed legs?
Yes.
Jointed
Like
legs.
elbow.
Yeah, we have jointed arms. On either side of the body, we have jointed arms and legs. Okay. Exoskeleton means where can you see your skeleton?
No?
No, because why it is not seen? Because it is inside. Is it Ahmed? Good morning.
Teacher, his mic is not working.
His mic is not working. We will see. Maybe
It has a little bit problem.
yeah, getting connected maybe. Okay, we will see. So, exo means outside. The skeleton will be outside, not inside. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
That
So,
means the skin will be inside and the skeleton will be outside.
yeah, skeleton will be outside. Not like us. We have endoskeleton, means skeleton is inside. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the phylum arthropod has many classes. One of the classes insects. Okay. Insects. Can you say names of some insect? If you want, you can open page 11. It is there. Page 11, it is there. Okay. Page 11, it is there. Can you see the board clearly or not?
You can see, but not too much clear.
Okay, so I will open this one. No problem. Okay. So, the insects means you can say like some insects, example cockroach. Cockroach is an example of insect. So, they have got three pairs of jointed legs and two pairs of wings. So, three pairs of jointed legs and two pairs of wings. And also, they have got trachea. I will explain each one. Trachea, and the body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. So, this all I have given in the notes. Again, so you can see insects, what are the or characteristics? They have got 3 pairs of jointed legs. 3 pairs means how many?
6.
6. And they have got 2 pairs of wings. Means how many
4
wings?
wings.
4 wings. Very
4.
good. And they are breathing through trachea. You know what are trachea?
Yes, that small holes.
Yes, the small holes that you can, like in the insect, there are small holes on every part of the body. We are taking in air through the nose, is it? Sometimes through the
Yes.
mouth. But these insects, they have got small holes in the body, which is leading to tubes, which is connected to muscles. So they are taking oxygen directly. Like suppose they want to get oxygen, the leg muscle want to get oxygen means they can directly take the oxygen. They don't have to take in through the nose and then go to the lungs and all. There is no need. So easy, no?
Yes.
Like which part they need, they can take oxygen from that one, they can give out carbon dioxide. So that is known as trachea, means small holes, they are leading to some tubes. These tubes are known as trachea. Ahmed, can you hear me now? I think his mic is not working. Okay. Then the body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, the next group is crustaceans. This is the second group. Crustaceans. Crustaceans, example is crab. Have you seen crab?
Yes.
Okay. Crabs, they have more than 4 pairs of legs. They have more than 4 pairs of legs and they breathe through gills. So which are the characteristics? How many pairs of legs?
More than 4
They have
crabs.
more than 4 pairs of legs and I will just close the door. They have more than 4 pairs of legs and they breathe through gills. I think I explained gills once I was explaining
Yes.
about fish. Okay.
The one, yes.
Yes. And the third group is arachnids. Arachnid means this is the third group. Arachnids. Arachnids examples are spiders. So can you tell me how many pairs of jointed legs? How many pairs they have? How many legs do the spiders have?
8.
8 legs. So 4 pairs of jointed legs. And then they are breathing through special gills known as book lungs. Breathe through book lungs. So is it clear, the 3 groups?
Yes.
Okay, so the first group is insect, second is crustaceans, third is arachnids. And insect, you can take example as cockroach. They have 3 pairs of jointed legs, 2 pairs of wings, and they breathe through trachea, and the body is divided into head, thorax, abdomen. Okay?
Okay.
And the crustaceans, they have more than 4 pairs of legs and they breathe through gills. Example is crab. Crab, have you seen crab?
Yes.
Did you touch them?
No.
Yeah, it is very solid, like very strong outside, no? It's very hard.
Yes.
This is because they have exoskeleton. Their skeleton is outside.
But I saw a small one.
Small one. But still its outside is small, like hard, no? If you touch, it will be like hard, is it?
Yes.
When you cook also, have you eaten crabs?
No.
So they say when we cook also, the outside skeleton we have to remove. Then only we will get the inside soft flesh.
Inside
Okay?
there is meat.
Yeah, inside there is meat because it is a living organism. And outside is the skeleton, inside there is meat. So when we eat also, I didn't eat and I don't eat. I don't know people they are telling we have to just like break the skeleton. When we take, they have to break it and then we have to get the flesh from outside. Okay?
Okay.
Then next is arachnids. Arachnid example is spider. So you know 4 pairs of jointed legs and they breathe through book lungs. Is it clear the 3 classes?
Teacher, that book legs they can breathe underwater.
They cannot breathe underwater, but still they say it is a kind of gills. They cannot survive for long time in water, but they can little like more not more time, but just less time.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is another thing known as centipede. This is another class of arthropod known as centipede. So, where should I write it? Can I write it here? It is
Yes.
centipede. Centipede is myriapods. No, it is myriapod. Sorry, example is centipede. This myriapod. Myriapods, their body is like segmented body, like this. The body is like this, like segments, and then like that.
Yes.
These are known as segments, and then from each segment they have legs, like this, jointed legs. Okay, so the body
Yes.
is made of segments, and each segment they have jointed legs. So, segmented body, and each segment there are jointed legs. So, there are many jointed legs. Okay, you can see it
Yes.
here. See, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, this is myriapod. Example, we can say centipede. It's long, thin, jointed body, segmented body, and jointed legs. So, is it clear the 4 classes?
Yes.
Okay, insects, crustaceans, arachnids, and myriapod. And insect example, cockroach you can say, crustaceans, crab, arachnid, spider, and this one myriapod, centipede. Okay, can I move on to
Yes.
next one?
Yes.
Okay. So with that we finish about the animals. Now we have to move on to plants. So next is about plants. Plants we can classify like non-flowering and flowering plants. Okay. So have you seen flowers in all plants?
Yes.
No, there are some plants, some grass and all, you cannot see flowers. Like Moses, phone, like this. See, I think you know this one. Have you
Yes,
seen
yes.
this kind of plant?
Yes.
So they are known as ferns. They do not make flowers. You know why? What is the importance of flowers? What do the flower do?
Pollution? I don't know.
It is it is the reproductive structure because from the flower we are getting fruits and inside the fruit there is the seed and from the seed the new plant is coming out. Okay, so flowers
Okay.
are actually the reproductive structures of the plants. Now, how the non-flowering structures, non-flowering plants, if they do not have flowers, how do they reproduce? So we will say they reproduce by spores. They reproduce by spores. Spores means they have just like fruit like that and inside that there are small spores and when they about to mature or about to reproduce, this will be broken. Okay? And the spores will go out and then it will fall on the ground. And from there, the new plant will come up. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So they reproduce by spores and they also have everything just like other plants. They have stem, they have roots, they have leaves, all other things are there. But only thing, no flowers and they reproduce by spores. Got it?
Yes.
Now, flowering plants, they are of two kinds. Okay, flowering plants we can say it as two kinds. Some of them, have you seen the seeds? I have seen many of you are eating the roasted seed. You know, like sunflower.
Ah, yes, 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 yes,
When you open it,
yes,
you open the shell, there is a very tasty thing inside that one.
yes, yes.
Is it?
It's like salty.
Yes, it is very tasty. And you know what is it? It is actually
But
the food for the plant. Actually, when the seed grows, it like till it gets the leaf. You know that in the leaf, the plants make
yes,
food. So when a
yes,
seed germinates, when a seed come up, first the root is coming, then the shoot is coming. So till the shoot comes, till the leaf comes, it has to get the food. For that, so that
ah,
there is a stored food here inside. Understood?
yes,
Okay, so the flowering plants have their seeds according to the seed. They are classified to one is dicot and another is monocot. I will tell you what it is. If you check the seed, you can see some seeds they have two like this, and some of them they have only one.
what?
Okay, so if there are two, this is known as cotyledon, which is the stored food for the seed or for the coming plant. If there
Yes.
are two cotyledon, we will say it as dicot. If there is only one, we will say it as monocot.
Mm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
In the seed, there is a very soft part that is known as cotyledon, which is the food for the growing plant till it gets leaf. And some of the seed, it has two cotyledon. So these plants are known as dicot. Some of them, they have only one cotyledon. They are known as monocot. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, dicot plants, like it is not possible for us to check each time the seed and then check it. So there is an easy way to find. Dicot plants, okay, dicot plants, they have got a tap root system. That means there will be a big root From there, the branches will be going like this, like in big trees. Okay?
Okay.
And in monocot, it is not like that. Like this. From a point, many roots are going out. Got it?
Okay.
So
Yes.
this we call it as they have tap root. Tap root means there is a big root. From there, small roots are coming out, branches.
Yes.
Monocot means from a point, lot of small roots are coming out. That we call it as fibrous root. Understood?
Yes.
Taproot and fibrous root. Another point is that these plants, if you check the leaf will have veins like this, network like this. But
Yes.
for them it is like that, parallel like this. Did you see the difference?
The first the first one looks like a veins.
Yes, veins are like network like this. But
Yes.
this we will say like parallel. The veins are in parallelly arranged.
Only one side.
Yeah. So here, yeah, both side we can see both side there are parallel venation, parallel veins. But here we can see like a network from a one big vein, small veins are coming out like this.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is the classification of plants.
There's no any link.
Yes, Ahmed?
Is it up to watch it?
I think he cannot hear. Okay. So is it clear about the classification of plants?
Yes.
Non-flowering and flowering. Non-flowering, they reproduce by spores and they have stems, roots and leaves. And flowering plants, they are two types, dicot and monocot. Dicot have two cotyledons. I gave you all the notes I have uploaded. Okay, you can just go through that one. Then monocot means they have only one cotyledon and the root is taproot here. Here it is fibrous root. And the network of vein here. Here there is parallel vein.
I have to give you a space.
Yes.
So with that, we are finishing the first chapter this week. So next week, I will start the next chapter. I think next week, according to your timetable, you can enter the class. Because
Okay.
the teacher
Just come to school or
Okay.
Okay, so I will send you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Ahmed. Okay.
Teacher finish?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.